What's up, veterans? Are you looking at or trying to get approved for Veterans Readiness and Employment? Maybe you're already in the program and you're looking for different benefits or rights that pertain to you while being in Veterans Readiness and Employment. Stay tuned, and I'm going to tell you about this resource that I am working on to consolidate all of this information to help you navigate the Veterans Readiness and Employment program.
What a stroke of luck.
All right, I know it's cheap, but I gotta say it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, comment, share. This helps the channel out. It also helps other veterans out. If you have spent any time on my channel, if you go through my videos, you will find a lot of Veterans Readiness and Employment content. I was in the program about 2 years ago, and I used it for a short period of time to finish up a bachelor's degree. I was going to use it for a master's degree, but just didn't end up finishing that out. So from that, I've learned a lot of information from that, and then just gradually I've learned more and more just helping other veterans out. I've created videos from how to get approved, what to say with your first meeting with your VRC, how to get BAH, how to get supplies, a plethora of different topics pertaining to Veterans Readiness and Employment. What my goal is to create a resource for veterans that essentially consolidates all of the information, not only from my videos, but other people's videos that you may see online, and just other information online, as well as information from the good old Veterans Readiness and Employment manual itself. I want to put all of this information into a resource, likely going to be an ebook that veterans can access, and it will serve as a resource to help veterans navigate through the program, get approved for the program, and just knowing the rights and benefits that they are entitled to. Of course, like I said, it's not going to have all of the information about Veterans Readiness and Employment and the entirety of the program. However, it's going to serve as a great guide to guide any veteran through the program so that they can better know their rights, eligibility, benefits of the program, so that they can use the program to its fullest extent. Just speaking for myself, I remember when I was starting out in the program, and a lot of the information that I got was from my friend who was in the program before me. We all know that it can be very difficult with these VA programs to find the information that we need sometimes, or to even find someone within the VA that knows the information that you're seeking. And while some counselors are great, many of them have insufficient knowledge, or they're just not out for the best interests of veterans. My ebook guide will not be able to teach you everything about Veterans Readiness and Employment. However, it will give you enough knowledge to have an understanding of the program, to know the questions to ask, and where to find answers. I'm hoping to be done with this guide around late summer to early fall. If you are currently in the program or looking to apply for Veterans Readiness and Employment in the near future, please subscribe to my channel and hit that alert button so you don't miss any updates on this ultimate Veterans Readiness and Employment guide. Thanks, guys.